Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious spring blender. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh spinach, 1 ripe banana, and about half a cup of frozen pineapple chunks. Don't forget 1/4 cup of coconut water and a handful of ice cubes to make it perfectly chilled. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's prepare them. Start by washing your fresh spinach very well to remove any dirt. Next, peel your ripe banana and break it into smaller pieces, which helps with blending. Finally, measure out your half cup of pineapple and 1/4 cup of coconut water. This preparation ensures a smooth blending process. It's time to blend. Pour the coconut water into your blender first. This helps the blades move freely. Then, add the spinach, followed by the banana and pineapple chunks. Finally, toss in your ice cubes. Secure the lid and blend on high for about 45 to 60 seconds, or until your spring blender is perfectly smooth and creamy. Your delicious spring blender is now ready. Carefully pour the vibrant green mixture into a tall glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a fresh mint sprig or a small slice of pineapple on the rim. This refreshing and nutritious drink is perfect for a quick breakfast or a healthy snack. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.